What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome back to another video. Yeezy season has begun with the first drop of 2019, the Yeezy 700 Salt. Whew, these were sleepers. These were limited and I think it caught a lot of people by surprise because these sold out instantly online and it was tough to get in store. Down in Soho at the Adidas original store, when I showed up, there was about 50 to 75 people waiting in line. It was crazy. It caught me by surprise. Let's face it, right? It's kind of like a basic colorway. This shoe definitely got overshadowed because on March 9th, the Yeezy 700 Inertias are dropping, and a lot of people kind of pick and choose because it has a lot more color going on, and this one's kind of basic. Sticks with this whole color palette, and it kind of makes Yeezys different. It gives it a different vibe. Compared to other brands when they make their shoes. So this Salt colorway, it's kind of like a bluish gray. Just for the 700 though, in general, they went back to this tank version. So it's exactly like the Mauve. If you have a pair of the 700 Mauve, what they did is they have the elastic bands for the tongue, so your foot stays in place. It keeps it nice and secure, which I absolutely love. They did change one thing that I noticed, is that they included a Yeezy Ortholite insole. They have the Ortholite insole on the 700 V2s and they have it in the Yeezy 500s. So this is the first time they put it on a Yeezy 700, the original one. So that's great. I think this shoe in general is super comfortable to begin with. As far as sizing is concerned on this one, I always go a half size up on the 700s. This one I tend to fit snug on me. Quality on this one, a lot of people can't justify spending $300 for these. And obviously, is it worth $300? I think that's something for you to decide and not some guy on YouTube. But I will say the quality is there on this shoe. The suede is really, really nice. It's thick. This shoe is super durable, so you are going to get your money's worth. My Mauve pair, had been wearing it every day since it's came out, and this shoe has stand the test of time. Barely creases, which I absolutely love. It's gonna stay looking clean and nice. I think this is such a clean colorway. You're gonna be able to wear this a lot more. Love the earth tone look on this one. I think this is overall just a sleeper of a shoe. This shoe does feature 3M. However, it doesn't have the 3M on the drips like the other. You still get the 3M on the side here, and then you got the 3 stripes 3M on the side. And then you have the dots. The dots on the back of the heel are 3M. I did say that this shoe was going to sell out. YouTubers out there that was saying that this one was probably gonna flop and it was gonna sit. Didn't. It sold out. The shoe is made in India, which is great. So when they make them in India, I feel like the quality is always up to par on them. It's currently reselling right now for an average price on StockX for about $375. I think that's probably a good price point for this shoe. Once you get into that $300 price point for a sneaker, you know, you can't really justify selling it for $425, $500 if it's not crazy limited. So that's why a lot of resellers are not a fan of this shoe, because there's just not much profit margins on it. I think this one's absolutely fire, and I'm excited, man. As you can tell, I'm excited. I'm a huge Yeezy fan. Yeezy season has officially begun with this one, and I cannot wait for the Inertias as well. So let me know down in the comments below if this shoe is a cop or a drop. But I'm gonna throw this on foot, give you guys a better look at the sneaker. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.